welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So I have decorated my table for a tea party. So come on with me, guys. All right, so I am really excited, guys. Today is the ladies' Christmas tea party, and I cannot wait to go through this table with you. I've already decorated my table, okay? So let me get on with who's hosting. All right, so the ladies' tea party, Christmas tea party, is being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now we have some co-hosts, and that is Jennifer at Home. We have May's Design Corner. We have Debbie Bubbles, and we have Secondhand Tracy Tracy Lynn. I'm sorry, Tracy. And I am so excited. So I think it's time for me to walk you through my table. Come on with me, guys. Okay, so I'm like so excited on how my table scape turned out for this tea party. Okay, so let's take a closer look. We'll go through each item. So of course we have to have my Ray Dunn set, teapot set. And we can also have, you can have whatever you'd like, whether it's hot chocolate, whether it's coffee or tea or all of it. On this tablescape here, I just wanted to decorate it with a teapot. And like I said, that was Ray Dunn teapot. That was a great score, guys. I actually thrifted that. And then we have the stand. This stand right here came from Dollar General. Okay, so that was a great find because I was looking for something like this, that kind of a wood riser. And then of course we have a Santa mug and Ray Dunn. And then we know that the story of Christ is a love story for us. And we have the reindeer. Now my reindeer over there is thrifted. This pick came from Walmart with the berries. We have the candle and the candle stand, and that came from the Dollar Tree. And guys, here are my goodies for the tea party, guys. Okay, if we move a little bit more here to the centerpiece, isn't that an absolutely gorgeous Christmas tree? Perfect for this centerpiece right here. And I believe I got that at Dollar General. Beautiful, white and gold. I am loving it. So then we have the gold poinsettias, and then a little red poinsettia on top of that. I believe the gold poinsettias were thrifted, and then the little red ones I placed on top, those clips came from Dollar General. Then I got this beautiful candy cane canister here, and this is ceramic. I think I purchased that at Walmart. I'm not sure, Walmart or Hobby Lobby, probably Hobby Lobby. And then here is my Christmas tree. I'm going to be turning that on for you momentarily, and there is my cardinal. I forgot to turn the tree on, guys. Okay, so if we come over here, this is what the place setting looks like for our dessert, our coffee, and we're getting ready to have something to eat as well. The Dollar Tree is carrying these beautiful snowmen mugs. I absolutely love them. They are beautiful. Then we have this thrifted napkin, and the tie came from the Dollar Tree. The utensils here came from Party City when they were open. Here we have the candy cane plate. I decided to keep it there because we never know how much we're gonna eat. Then we have the charger that came from Hobby Lobby. Actually, the place setting came from Hobby Lobby. The utensils came from Party City when they were open. And this beautiful little girl, gingerbread girl, was thrifted at the Goodwill. So I absolutely love that. This candle holder right here, that came from the Dollar Tree along with that votive. So this is what we're looking at like. So this is the girl. Now she's beautiful. I love these dishes. And then here's the boy. So we have the goodies, and we have our tea. We have all of Christmas shining. I'm gonna go ahead and show you this in a little bit. I'm gonna give you a closer look, guys. Okay, so let's take a closer look here. I'm just gonna move this utensil over. Isn't this absolutely beautiful, guys? I am loving it. and how nice it was when I found it in the set of 2, the boy and the girl. Then I decided to go ahead and place that utensil right here. Okay. All right. Then here we have the candy cane plate. Like I said, Hobby Lobby has the whole set. Like, how could you not buy that? That was an amazing find. I love it. So here is the charger. That's what that looks like. And then I decided to put the knife and the spoon on either end. So I'm going to place that right here. Okay. And then here I decided to fold the napkin this way. It's not pretty, in gold. Okay, so we have touches of gold. And here's the thrifted napkin. And then here is the set. Okay, displayed. This centerpiece right here, I think came out absolutely amazing. And I love my Ray Dunn teapot set. That reindeer in the back is absolutely gorgeous. And once again, here are my goodies. So let's come on over here because I can't get over this little peppermint thing. I think I'm going to keep that out and just fill it with peppermints. I love it. This candy cane theme is really calling my attention this year. And then these lights are on. I hope you can see it, guys. I did turn it on. So that was really pretty. I'm not sure where I got that from. That might have been Dollar General. I really don't know where I got that. I can't remember. But this is what the tablescape looks like for this tea party. And it is amazing. I do have coffee in the background and I just love entertaining. But first we gotta eat. So Sandy Lynn, I thank you for hosting the tea party collaborations every month. It is so much fun. And I thank everybody else who is co-hosting this collaboration and joins in the party so that we can support each other as we're growing. So I hope you guys have an amazing holiday. Merry Christmas to you. And this came out amazing. I hope that you like this video. And blessings to you all. God bless you guys. Amen.